If your boomsy real and you know it, clap your hands. If it real and you know it, clap your hands.
Hold on, yo! Watch the full video, dog. Me I tell you, dog. Me I tell you, one, you know? The full video lit the bomb up, my God. Blah, 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 blah. What's good, YouTube? Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, a.k.a. The Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with another Grenadian reaction. Yesterday I did my first one. If you want this man from Grenada, Blade. You don't know, you're chopping up people. Yo, that video they got me rolling and got the viewers them rolling yesterday, guys. Yo! We can't believe it, people. Mr. Talk because I want to listen to the comments. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I post every day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. And right now, I'm going to be your favorite Caribbean YouTuber. If I'm not already, is RR. Alright? So comment the song them from the Caribbean where the girls want to go and bad with the big batty them. You understand me? Yeah. I know like girls them. But we have to anything. Gun song, war song, med song, gospel. Yeah. Anything over here so well lit. Right now we have Lednek. Real boom boom. Real boom boom. I don't know nobody named Lednek. I've never heard this song before. Actually never see that one here. What we do is I'm going to my comment section for my next one. I'm reacting yesterday. Blade yesterday by Courageous. Contagious, I should say. Courageous K, you go myself. Anyways, Contagious K, Courageous. Contagious Blade yesterday, right? So I go to the comment section and I see someone comment, so I'm going to enjoy this one. You understand? Mr. Lednek, real boom boom. You know, it's a boom boom. You know, so I want you can think about it. You know? So we don't know. But we don't know what to expect from this video. So I hope I see some girls in it. Because I'm going to really enjoy this one. And I think I said I like the females in the video. So let's see what's going on. Like the video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And if you're new, I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. So please help because Jamaican boy accomplish them goals. So if you're watching the video right now and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Please subscribe and like the video so the video get ranks more. So more people can get to see the reaction. Blast! Sorry, my camera, maybe. Run tune! Real boom,
Mr. Dogo Boujou. Is the lie detector test ready?
Of course, Mr.
Hold on. Dogo Boujou.
She feels she had to this stick bam bam.
Them girls are jealous. Well, I know. I'm never gonna pause the movie, but the movie they're going too nice. But whatever kiss them teeth for. Because she got the boom boom. Go on! Boom bucklet. No, wait, hold on. I saw that boom boom the big. I saw that batty the big. I saw that batty the big, but the man don't have to take off all them glass. Go on. Take your tongue in your mouth.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Spongy.
Bungie.
Welcome to the Real Boom Boom Corporation.
Boom bucklet.
Miss Spongy.
Yeah.
Here at the Real Boom Boom Corporation, we hold to the highest integrity of our reputation.
Hold on there. I batty the money, I booty the money I talk about. A female's booty the money. Why put what you arguing? What a female's booty the money I really talk about, sir? I hope for something different to the dog. Go on. I don't know the song, I don't know what's about.
When it coming to a boom boom, authenticity, quantity, quality, do you have what it takes to fill the requirements of such a position?
I do.
Are you married?
No.
Should have passed. She feel already.
Is your boom boom real?
Yes.
Me ras. No, hold on there now. See, I go out for the man who have a fake body, right? Are you married? No, you don't get the job, man.
You are qualified.
Like no?
No.
So something right here, so. Guys, this is a song or a movie, man. We got 1 minute tonight. Is it a song? Let me know if it's a song, let me know if it's a music video or not. Because, well, it's an official music video, so it's a music video. 1 minute, what I... Right, we ready now. It better start.
If your boomsy real and you know it, clap your hands. If it real and you know it, clap your hands.
Really? We'll find it. We'll ask Lee. Hold on. We'll find it. We'll find it. Hold on. We need to get some getter in the car. We need to get energized, you know. Females, we're not dealing from Grenada. You know, I'm going to video some girl night. Blood clot. I got that set up for there. Go on!
If your boomsy real
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you know it and you really want to show it, if it real and you know it, clap your
Whoa! Them line up. Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. We have to go run it back again. Go on now.
know it, clap your hands.
Oh,
If your
clap
boomsy
it,
real
girl,
and
yeah.
you know it
Clap
and you
it.
really want to show it, if it real.
Yeah, me get back here, can't shit now. Them dead again. Run tune.
And you know it, clap your hands. Just make it bang, bounce it bang, twerk it bang, work it, just make it bang.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm going in that artist, this is real. Make sure someone going in that song I react to, you know. Look on them something. My phone all wet up. Look how she a go. My phone wet up. Look how she a go. My phone wet. Bumbo clean. My phone wet up. My phone wet up, dog. Bumbo clean. Me have to wipe her. Yeah, girl. My phone wet up. Go on.
Bounce it bang, twerk it
Bag,
bang,
what's it bag? Yes, girl, yes, girl, yes, girl, yes, girl, yes, girl, yes, girl. Whoa, no. Bumbo, that it in thy face. No. Make you go back in there and compare. If you want to watch this song video without me pausing it, link is down below in the description for the original video. Make them know from now on come out from reaction and I'll get enjoy my reaction. Hold on the dog. Them girls that do me broke at the way, dog.
Work it bang, work it, just make it bang, bounce it
bang,
bang,
make
twerk
it
it bang, work it.
Them girls that booty fat. Them girls that booty round. Them girls that booty just set good. Okay.
Imagine you whining on a tick thing in the banana.
Imagine you whining a tick thing in the what? No, the language come in, I have to go try and understand the man them say.
Just make it bang, bounce it bang, twerk it bang, work it. Imagine you whining on a tick thing in the banana.
Imagine you whining a tick thing in the banana there. Alright. Now, this is time I need you guys, the viewers, to comment what he just said. In every video that I do from the Caribbean, them always say something me not going to hear. They always saying something that I'm not going to hear. So please comment what he just said down below in the comment section. Alright? Run tune.
Sponging she body rider. All the time.
Oh, class! No, hold on there. You see them girls right now? Them better than Jamaican girls them pan whining. Me not like us of them me I watch right now. Me not watch Jamaican girls. Jada Kingdom, can you please post a one video? Spice, can you please post a music video? Shensia, can you please post a music video? Don't talk. Go on.
She bumper made in China. Want you, girl, it too bad. Show them.
Look where come and go on there. No, hold on there. Man, I must have... Man, hold on pan a fatty in a youth. Bumbo class, a fatty I think I get away. Walk it! But hold on, look like a maga one of that. It's like a maga one of the right up on the left side. She better than the whole of them thick girl there. That look a maga one of the right, so dog. Watch out, look a maga one there, watch her. Sing back, she has to play back. Yeah. Bumbo dog, that living blood clot. Yeah, youth. I saw me a go right now, I should have some food. I saw me a... Oh no, hold on. Ew. Nasty. But I some feel right now, brother. Just like when you say among some food and you watch them girl that circle they make batty. Acha, see me here? Yeah, you.
Show them you're proud of what you are. All life post-suction is fine. Silly.
Wow. I love the females. I love females so much. You guys don't really know how much I... Wow. Thank you for this video. You don't know how much it means to me, yo. I've been waiting to play gun songs, yo. Right? I'm gonna show gun, I'm gonna show cutlass. I'm not seeing the big batty girl. But to send me the video with me a big batty girl, I can't really thank you enough. Thank you. Big up your one buckle bell self. Go on.
I don't mind, but there's something about that Indian store bumper that the right. if you're guilty.
Oh, I don't take out her fake body. No, hold on. You take out the fake body that. Hey, my boy, turn over them chair now, dog.
Silicone, I don't mind, but there's something
Oh, no.
about that Indian store bumper to the right. If you're guilty, you go say this.
My money is mine, and I work hard for my money.
Oh, God. Take back her fake body and I done the boy. Say, you take out my body for. Run it now.
I could buy what I wanna buy.
That they don't make it.
Oh, yeah, she said her fair money is hers and she to buy what she want to buy so she can buy be a fake body with her money because it's fair money. You understand what she has said, bro, God. Run through.
Great that, that my mom inflicted. God, do make that. If you want to feel a job.
Fatty! Bumblecly! Fatty, me see her! Fatty, me see her! Fatty, me never look for you, no Fatty, but... Look for this, me look for another go on that. Youth, I never feel like a general in the world right now. The man is a top man right now in the world. Top man. I don't know what they're putting in the 1,000,000 views already, dog. This man is a top man in the world right now. Go on, do it.
Make that, if you want to.
Fatty, your blood. Anyway, like, we're doing something here. We'll do this with the G's, them. Watch your channel. We'll do this with the G's, them. Go on. Yeah, Fatty, yeah, Fatty, yeah, Fatty, yeah. Bumbuckler, no. Bumbuckler, Fatty, no. Why? Yes, yeah. Why, your blood clot? No, dog. Yeah, you see me at to see me, I go on. Yeah, you. Bumbuckler. Fatty. Fatty. Fatty, 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 go on, yes, wine woman's them, yeah baby, wine, yeah, oh gosh, fatty done the day, fatty make me day, fatty make me day, yo, right now me I gotta work, and me I gotta laugh, and me I gotta smile for the whole day, because of fatty good property. Go on.
You whining on a tick thing in the banana then.
The maga one them, the fat one them, the set good, the whole of them can go on. Watch it, watch it. Yeah.
All the time you touch, she had the real meat in the back and then.
I need to stop reacting to this video. Me I enjoy it too much. You again who send me the video. Big up your bumbuckle self. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, dog. Go on!
She bumper made in China.
What's that fatty battery? What you talking about? Pull out, whoa, you like it? Yeah, girl, whoa, shake it here. You have ear, can't shake. Bumbuckle. No, sir. No, sir. Girl. No, I need to stop this. I need to stop it now. Me need to stop it now. Let me drink come while the get real first because me like the energy gone. Come here. Alright, energy come back.
I don't see no water for.
Oh God, what purpose of the sponge? The man say me see no water. The man say you need the sponge because your body is alright, it's the way it is. You see me I say, go on.
Me soak up, no. Nobody don't wanna sleep, girl.
Brother, me ain't now play them game there, yeah? No nasty man thing around here, so. Take back that out of the video.
Why use a mattress when you show up, my girl? Alright then.
Oh God, what else get this word fake? How we try real? No, dog. Them man has some real drama and some sample man at the same time. I not lie, dog. I like that video. I enjoy that video. Enjoy that video. Man, I go through and I test the whole of the body them. Tell them say them man ain't smart. Tell them say them man ain't some genius. Youth. Big up on yourself. Lednek. If we never check out the video, people want to go over there, go check it out. And make them know that the reaction boss said no over there, sir. You understand what I mean? Go over there, comment section and done it as a reaction gang. Because right now,
if you want to feel a job, sir, and stay hard.
Some shit stuff it. I don't think the battery did real. All the things the battery real and the fake video. All the things the battery real and the video talk about fake battery. All the bomber could make me the things the battery real and a fake battery video talk about. Tell me say I'm a madman now. Well, bro, say I'm a madman already. Go on.
Imagine you whining on a tick thing in the banana then sponging she.
Oh, that them say you whine I want to take something. You whine girl. I want to take something in the shots or so you feel something in the shower when I want body. Okay. Now I'm overstep, but see what I'm saying. I take thing in the banana there. I don't understand what really him said, but go on.
All the time you touch, she had the real meat in the back and then she bump on made in China.
No, sir. That one they don't pass the test. That one they fake. No, I need to wrap this video up, dog. Yo, them money are sample, them money are drama.
Show them a real boom boom, my darling.
So the real batty them, like, I'm not somebody batty them really now. But my boy, I name him Cheetos them, and I poop and I enjoy, man, live him best life with them, girl, brother. I'm not like that man, fine, dog. Stick on this project, I'm not say batty them. I need to stop it! This video need for Oreo but done! You to not make it. You know what I mean? Real boom. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. I charge 10,000 subscribers. If you just watch the full video right now, go better. And you know, subscribe to the Reaction Boss channel like me. I beg you to please subscribe right now. I'll reach 10,000 subscribers. With the 8.5, me wake up this man and I say, well, I know what? I'm for reach 8.5 and yesterday I reached 8,000 subscribers. Bamba cleat! You understand? Big up on yourself. Thank you, love and support as usual. You don't know, Chap Reaction Boss. Out. Trinidad! Later, you know, every day I post one too. I'm out.